Alright, hey guys, everything's back together after a long 3-day process. Took my time, everything's back together. I'm gonna do a first start. My radiator is bad, so I'm not gonna leave it running for a little bit, so I'll just start it up, see what it sounds like, and then tomorrow I'm gonna figure out radiator and go from there. But there it is, everything's back together, and we're gonna do this first start. Definitely gonna need some tune work. Alrighty, now it's time for some tune work. Not too bad, sounded good at the end, but definitely got to get a radiator in it so I can get it running longer. And it was already at 109 degrees, so it's like 92 out, so got to get all that done. And yeah, well, at least she starts back up, and it's got oil pressure again, so I got 40 pounds of oil pressure now instead of like 19. So I think either A, it was the pickup tube, or B, it was the oil pump. I'm going with, actually I don't know which one to go with, but replace them both, and it's working. So yeah, time to get some coolant in this thing. After I get a radiator, I might just put a new radiator and just be done with it. I gotta try to find a set A of the electric fans, maybe for the 5.3 radiator, 4.8 radiator. I do have a set of fans for a 6-liter manual trans. No, just a 6-liter radiator. Actually, no, it's not even a 6-liter radiator. I got fans for it's a NV3500 5-speed truck. They have a bigger radiator than a 6-liter, and they came with electric fans in 05, so that won't fit here, it's too big. But I definitely need to get the radiator changed and fans. I did buy aftermarket fans. I can put two 12s on here. My last one was a lot smaller radiator with one big 16 fan. The only reason I want to go electric fans maybe is because it's got a shroud on it, and the fans are a lot more powerful. So I'll see what I can find, but other than that, I like the way it sounds, and gotta get it tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Stick around. Alright, hey everybody. Got the truck tuned, and finally gonna do a video of the cam startup on it. So we'll do a startup video on it.